Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to give access to Facebook business page. Now, say for example, you want someone to have access on your Facebook business page. Here's what you can do. First things first, go ahead and click your account and then go ahead and switch to your page. So for example, in my case, this is my page right here. Now, what I can do is just click the professional dashboard here on the left corner, and then you're going to go ahead and look for the option of page access. Go ahead and click this one right here. Now that we have opened it, what you're going to do is under people with Facebook access, go ahead and click the add new button in here and click next. And then what you're going to do is search them by their name or by their email. So in my case, for example, I'm just going to add one of my Facebook page and this one right here. Now, if you're going to scroll down, make sure that you have disabled this one here. Basically, if you enable this one, that person will have full control, including removing anyone from the page like you or deleting the page. So again, make sure you disable that one. Once you're ready, go ahead and click the give access button just like so, and then go ahead and type your password in order for you to confirm this one. So yep, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody.